What if I told you the biggest company in the world might finally be fixing the one thing it's been criticized for years? Not the iPhone, not the Mac, but Siri. And this time, it's not just a small upgrade. It could completely change how you use your devices. Let's be honest. For years, Siri has felt behind. While competitors pushed forward with advanced AI, Apple stayed quiet. No flashy demos, no bold claims, and users noticed. Siri could answer simple questions, but when it came to real tasks, it struggled. You had to ask things one by one, step by step, command by command. And in a world moving towards smarter AI assistants, that wasn't enough. But something just changed. According to recent reports, Apple is now testing a new version of Siri that can handle multiple commands in a single request. Not just set a timer, but something like set a timer, send a message, and open my calendar. All at once. That might sound small, but it's not. Because this is the first sign that Siri is moving from reactive assistant to intelligent task manager. This changes everything. Because the real value of AI isn't answering questions, it's getting things done. And for the first time, Apple is starting to compete on that level. Think about it. Instead of tapping through apps, instead of switching screens, you just say what you want. And it happens. That's the future Apple has been missing. Until now. But here's where it gets interesting. Apple isn't trying to win the AI race the same way others are. Companies like Google and Microsoft are building powerful cloud-based AI. Bigger models, more data, more scale. Apple, they're taking a different path. Control, privacy, and on-device intelligence. Which means, instead of sending everything to the cloud, your phone could handle more of it locally, faster, more secure, less dependent on servers. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a completely different philosophy. This move tells us something bigger. Apple isn't late, it's waiting. Waiting for the moment when AI becomes not just impressive, but useful, because anyone can build a chatbot. But building something that integrates into billions of devices, that's a different game. And if Siri becomes truly capable, Apple doesn't need to catch up. It can leap forward. But there's a catch. If this rollout is slow, or limited, or doesn't actually work as expected, Apple risks falling even further behind. Because in AI, momentum matters, and right now the competition isn't slowing down. So this isn't just about Siri, it's about something bigger. Can Apple redefine how we interact with technology again? Or has the AI race already moved too far ahead? Because if this works, you won't just use your phone differently, you'll expect everything to work this way. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe, because we break down the biggest shifts in tech and finance before they become obvious. And as always, this is not financial advice, but it is something you should be paying attention to.